To create forms in HTML, open the project that we have created to learn HTML, and then in this project create a new HTML file. I'm naming it forms.html. As usual, we will give basic structure of HTML, and in title I give it forms. After head, there comes a body tag which we already knew. Inside body, I want to give forms. So first I'll give a h1 tag saying forms, and then I'll start building forms. To build a form, as seen in the syntax, first we have to give a form tag. Form tag open and close is created. In between open and closing tags of form, I will give a label. In between label, I'll provide what information has to be sent. For example, I'll give name here, and then I'll give an input. Input is a self-closing tag, so I'll give a forward slash and I'll close it. Inside input, we had an attribute called type. In this type, if you mention it is text, we'll get a text field. Now just check the output. To check the output, we have to run the forms.html. Further, type the command start forms.html. This opens a website like this containing a name which was given inside the label and a text field by the side of name. Here you can enter any kind of text. You can also mention any name like CHV apps. It works perfectly. Okay, now go back to your Visual Studio, add a BR tag, add a BR tag. BR says to break so that everything comes into the next line. Add a label again. Inside label, add a password. After label, add a input field. This time, the type attribute will have a value password. Now go to your website, reload the page, you can see a password. And if you enter in this password, the data you entered will be hidden and secured because the type you mentioned in the input field is passed. Okay. Now go back to your HTML. If you give a if you want to give anything like gem, give a BR over here. give a BR over here, and sorry, after giving gender, create another label, give it male, and then without giving BR, give a input with a type equal to radio, and then give another label, mention female to it, and then give a input field, give type equal to radio. Now go to your form, reload it, you'll get. So after completion of code, you'll be getting a gender along with male and female, but the input field now changes to. In the same way, if you want checkboxes, you can also for checkboxes provide some labels like physically handicapped, without any BR, directly provide input type equal to checkbox. Go to your website, reload it, you'll get a checkbox. Now go back to your Visual Studio, type input type equal to submit, go to your website, reload it, you'll get a submit button. If you want it down, give a BR tag at the checkbox and you'll get it down. Now go back and reload it. So this is how a form is created. In the next session, we will see how to capture information from the form and print it in the console. In the upcoming sessions, we will see how to store the data in local storage and how to store the data in database. In new other technologies